Okay, hi everyone. Welcome back. This is part 5 of our CRM tutorial, and we're looking at how we handle opportunities. Now, this is the main opportunity page of the opportunity that we just qualified, Balagan Industries. Our partner, primary account is our partner. In this case, I put my partner Polixel. Okay, and there's a few other mandatory information that has to be added in order to qualify this opportunity. So first of all, we have here vertical market. Okay, so this particular customer is it an alternative or incumbent service provider, mobile operator? Is it a utility company, transportation, corporate, or whatever? Let's say that Balagan Industries is a carrier, so I will choose alternative and incumbent service provider, and that will automatically bring up the applications from okay, just a second. The applications from the application library. I'm sure you're all familiar with the application library. So all the applications that are associated only with alternative or incumbent service providers. Okay. So let's say that in this case, our opportunity deals with let's say Ethernet services over PDH. Okay. So here we have the application. Okay. Another mandatory field is the phase. Okay. Which phase is the opportunity? In this case, let's say initial interest. Okay, and the probability, let's say 20%. So this gives it a cold rating. The rating changes according to the probability. Okay, so we don't even have to change that. Watch, if I put here 90% probability, it will change the rating to hot. See, very nice. Okay, some other fields, we have some rad comments that we can put in here. Okay, if there's a project name from pre-sales department, we can put it here, and so on. Now there are a few other tabs here. For instance, administration. We can add here more people. For instance, if there's a pre-sales engineer associated with this opportunity already. Handling contact, this is free text, you can see. The owner of the opportunity is usually the salesperson, in this case myself, which is also the sales manager here. Okay, let's go back to general. Now, if you look here on the left, we have a few more activities that we can handle on this opportunity. For instance, if we go to the activities tab and do new activity, we can add a task or a phone call that we did or that we're going to do, or an email that we want to send, and so on. So we can add these things. So let's say a phone call. Okay, I can make a phone call, right here information about what happened in the phone call, and that will be kept later on in the history tab of this particular opportunity. So phone calls, emails, everything that I did which was associated with this particular opportunity. And as you can see up here, it says opportunity. Okay, so we're looking at an opportunity. Will be listed here in our history tab. Okay, we'll look at other things here a little bit later on. Let's go back to information. Okay, so now that we filled in all this information and we want to send it, whoops, sorry about that. We want to send it to our partner. Give me a second here. Let me pause here. By the way, you can see here that the end user is Balagan Industries, which we already put in. End user, that's the name of the lead. Okay, so all these things we can change if needed, but these are fields that are put in automatically because we imported it from a lead. By the way, if we open up a brand new opportunity manually, obviously we will have to enter this information in manually into the opportunity page. Okay, so let's say we want to send this to a partner. We have this tab over here called Send to Partner. You know what? Let's save first so we don't lose anything. Okay, you can tell that there's somebody here on the side telling me what to do, right? Okay, so press Send to Partner. And here automatically I have all the information about the opportunity. Remember, this is different than what we saw on the email from the lead, because the email about a lead shows all the history of that lead. Okay, the web history, things like that. Here we have information regarding a particular opportunity. So this is a difference. So dear partner, obviously here we can change the name. This can be edited. Okay, so dear friend, right? Our partner. Here you have information about the opportunity. Here is information about the contact of that particular lead, which we imported into the opportunity. This can be changed if you're sending it by yourself, so you can delete that. You can see that this whole email is completely editable, but basically the main information is already in here. Okay, I would also, by the way, delete this because there's no PDF over here. So I don't know why it says PDF over there. We can also, do all type of editing over here. You can see all these tabs over here. By the way, if you want, you can also build a template of your own. You can see here, well, this is not how we do it. Okay, we'll show you later how we do it, but here are different templates which I can choose from. Okay, so let's we're not going to send this, so we're just going to close this. Okay. And then what we did was we sent the opportunity to partner. That opportunity is associated with that partner. When we go into that partner's account in the CRM, we will see this opportunity under his name. Okay, next, as we move forward with the opportunity, we will want to define a pipeline for the opportunity. So once we know what products are associated with this opportunity and we want to add this to the pipeline, we'll talk about that in the next session. So I'm going to stop.